Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint plant. To begin, select the freshest leaves for the best flavor. Look for vibrant green leaves and snip the stems just above a set of leaves. This encourages the plant to branch out and produce even more delicious mint for you to enjoy. Remember, you can harvest about 1/3 of the plant at once without harming its growth. Once harvested, it's time to prepare your mint. Gently rinse the leaves under cool water to remove any dirt or small insects. After rinsing, carefully pat them dry with a paper towel. This step is important to prevent bruising and to ensure the mint is ready for your recipes. Always discard any leaves that look wilted or have brown spots. Mint is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can add fresh sprigs to your favorite drinks for a refreshing twist, or finely chop the leaves to mix into salads, dressings, and savory dishes. It also pairs wonderfully with desserts, bringing a bright, cool flavor to fruit salads, ice cream, or even chocolate. Experiment to find your favorite combinations. Beyond cooking, mint has other delightful uses. You can brew fresh or dried leaves to make a comforting herbal tea. Dried mint also works well in homemade potpourri or sachets to freshen your home. To store fresh mint, place the stems in a glass of water, cover loosely with a plastic bag, and refrigerate for up to 7 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.